To solve this equation by completing the square, first thing I'm going to do is move the constant over to the other side of the equation. And then after that, I need to factor out the coefficient of x squared. Or it would be the same thing if I just divide both sides of the equation by that factor, that constant. So if I divide everything there by 3, I get x squared plus 2x equals 1/3. And that's good. That equation I can work with now. I can complete the square on the left-hand side and then take the square root of both sides, and we'll be able to solve it pretty quick after that. So I take the 2 and divide it by 2 to get 1, and then I do 1 squared. That's still 1. So 1 is what I need to add to both sides of this equation. And then on the left-hand side, if I factor that out, it becomes x plus 1 times x plus 1. On the right side, I want to combine those two numbers. So I'm going to change 1 to get a common denominator. 1 is the same thing as 3/3. So 1/3 plus 3/3 is 4/3. I take the square root of both sides. I get plus or minus the square root of 4/3. Subtract 1 from both sides. The square root of a fraction is the root of the top over the root of the bottom. So root 4 is 2. So this solution turns into -1 plus or minus 2 over root 3. And then usually math people want you to rationalize the denominator. So I'll go ahead and do that here. Multiply the top and the bottom by root 3, and that will knock out the root in the bottom. That fraction becomes 2√3/3.